I love spring. Thank you, spring. Spring has sprung, and my allergies are pushing back on spring. It's called an immunity kit. Y'all don't know how old this is, don't know where I purchased it, and probably it was gifted to me. I don't know. But I could see myself buying it because it's got something called Immunity Shield. It's got a shower spray, which I remember using. Wow, and I loved this. You spray it on the drain in your shower or just on the shower floor. And then you go ahead and take your shower, and y'all, it helps to open up all of your sinuses, and it just makes you feel like I'm feeling better. I'm trying to help myself feel better. And you know, at this moment, I'm all about self-care. I know y'all hear that in my voice. So I've been sipping on my favorite teas all day with honey and lemon. And y'all, I'm just trying to feel better. And ain't nothing wrong with trying to feel better. So there's also this sinus clarity, which was a roll on, and you just like roll it on your pressure points. I remember this too. And so I probably purchased this. I take that back. It probably was not gifted. I probably purchased this kit. But anyway, at any rate, I found this immunity shield, which is 100 pure essential oils. The ingredients are lemon, rosemary, eucalyptus, casa, and cinnamon essential oils. This is another. Now these, I don't think came in this. This is all that came in this little kit. But when I opened this box, these were in there. So that means this is just some leftover essential oils from something, right? And so tonight, I know I'm going to use a couple of drops of this in my humidifier, just trying to get some moisture in the air to open up my sinuses. And I'm probably going to use that eucalyptus. But anyway, then, y'all, I buy everything that has a smell to it because I'm really sensitive. My mama would say, girl, you smell everything. Probably right. That's why I buy lots of scented things, because I want my house to be very inviting, to be relaxing, to be calming. And y'all, this scent is called Night Ice. Put you in the mind of a man, but in the best way, right? So since this is the closest thing I have to a man, and that's sad, let's just shed a tear for that pathetic statement. Anyway, I'm just being funny, y'all. But these crystals are halfway gone. Y'all, this still has an amazing scent. So highly recommend the Odoban brand of products, and especially this Night Ice scent. It was my first purchase of the Night Ice scent, but it won't be my last. And so I just said, you know what? Because I don't even know how old these essential oils are. So I'm going to see what happens if I drop a few. Yep, I had never even opened these. I'm going to see what happens if I drop a few. Hit it with a little lavender. Because this has a lot of fragrance still in it, but just trying to freshen that and make it last longer. Because ain't nobody got time in this economy to be wasting a whole lot of money, right? Right. As a new YouTube content creator, I'm on the road to 500 subscribers, and I need about 145 of y'all to take the plunge. Subscribe to your girl. This is KendyK all day. It's Wednesday. This means it's one of my longest work days in the week, and I kind of have a scratchy voice, and I know it's directly related to my sinuses draining down the back of my throat. Y'all know that. Ugh. Yep, it's springtime, so I said, you have too long of a work day to be involved with this right here. So I'm choosing one of my favorite teas, this sweet Tangerine by Yogi Teas. Highly recommend, by the way. And I'm just gonna make sure I'm just very hydrated today. I've already fixed my water with on ice, and I'm just gonna fix myself a couple of other drinks so that I can hydrate, push vitamin C, doing all the things to make sure KendyK is feeling good. Honey, I forgot the honey. And I don't even know if I did not have honey, y'all. So I knew where I had some honey. I went into my travel bag and got one of my honey sticks out, and I'll just make do with that for now. Adding honey to my grocery list. And while my tea is cooling down and steeping, I'm going to go ahead and fix one of these go-tos for me that I use when I'm traveling, especially, but on today, like today, with me having these sinus drainage and my throat being all scratchy, I'm going to go in with some emergency. Just starting with some filtered water from my fridge. One packet of Emergency is supposed to have 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C.